Koda? Puppuccino! Yeah! Woo! Welcome to I80 truck stop, the largest of the largest truck stops in the world, of the entire world. You gotta see it to believe it. Here we are tonight. We're going to do a little drive-by. Let's go. That's how they get you, they say, with shiny lights and shiny objects. The I80 TA, world's largest truck stop, super truck showroom. We're going in there. We're going to take a peek. Let's go. Well, there it is. The I80, largest truck stop in the world. We made it, buddy. I guess these birds are on their way somewhere and they stopped here for a break. It's snack time! Dinner served. Sweet home Alabama. Bye-bye, I-80 truck stop. We're gonna get home tonight. Let's go. We made it back. It's Tuesday. Well, really Wednesday morning, Tuesday really late. We made it back to the yard, and the boys are cleaning the outside of the truck, and I'm just clearing up my paperwork, and then yeah, we're good. We're on our time off. Let's go. Where are we going, Koda? Puppuccino! Yeah! Woo! Koda! There's a puppuccino, man! A puppuccino! Guess what Koda just had? Puppuccino!